What does FYP mean on TikTok? So if you are wondered and curious to know what does FYP mean on TikTok, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the homepage of TikTok over here. At the upper section you can see there are options like live, following, for you and search bar. Right now I have switched to for you. So in TikTok, FYP means for you page. So here you will be able to see the videos of random person that you don't follow or that you don't have link with. You'll be able to see the videos of the people with very much likes and also popular people. You can swipe and you'll be able to find the various videos and also live of some people. So this is what FYP mean on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.